Hey Siri, where am I at? This place is gorgeous.
You are at the Ultimate Cabin Retreat, located in Stanley, Virginia.
Hey Siri, do you think they would be willing to sell?
Yes, they are.
That's great. Let's go check this property out. Hey Siri, can you tell me a little bit more about this property?
There's a private driveway that leads to the 3-bedroom, 2-full bath home with 1,300 square feet, which sits on 0.83 acres. In 2024, new windows were installed along with a new HVAC, and the kitchen was completely remodeled. And a new roof was put on in 2023. There's been a lot more updates within the home. Take a look as you walk through.
Siri, what do you think about this property?
With this property ideally located between Stanley and Luray, and with mountain views, I feel this is perfect for a full-time residential home, a private getaway, or an investment property. But be careful, that hot tub is hard to resist.
A little too late, Siri. I'm Amanda Downs. Give me a call for your private tour.